Welcome to 20 Car. Imagine taming a beast born in Japan, crafted for speed and style to command attention. The 2025 Nissan GT-R R38 Nismo isn't just a car, it's a masterpiece on four wheels, a thrill so electrifying it's practically an adrenaline factory. Appearance. The R38 Nismo flaunts an aggressive stance with a redefined aerodynamic body. A sharper front splitter, massive rear wing, and carbon fiber accents give it a predator-like aura. The signature V-motion grille and blazing LED headlamps ensure this car looks as fierce as it feels. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted with premium Alcantara seats, a 12.3-inch touchscreen with bespoke Nismo graphics, and carbon fiber trim. A flat-bottom steering wheel puts control literally at your fingertips, while every dial, button, and finish screams precision. Technical brilliance. Under the hood lies a twin-turbocharged 3.8 liters V6 engine pushing a mind-melting 650 horsepower. The all-wheel drive system ensures razor-sharp cornering, while its 7-speed dual-clutch transmission delivers flawless shifts. Speed and competitors. 0 to 100 km height? Just 2.7 seconds. Competing against the likes of the Porsche 911 Turbo S and Lamborghini Huracan Evo, the R38 holds its ground with unmistakable flair. Price and costs. With a starting price of $235,000, owning this marvel isn't cheap. Maintenance and insurance hover on the higher end, though depreciation remains reasonable thanks to its legendary status. Driving experience. This isn't driving, it's a sensory overload. The roar of the engine, the impeccable handling, and the unrelenting grip on any road make every trip unforgettable. Pros and cons. Pros: blistering speed, iconic design, unparalleled heritage. Cons: limited cargo space, high running costs.